If you're a maker, you know quality matters. I'm Sam at MakerFlo, and here we make tumblers that actually work. So today we're gonna try out our wine tumbler versus a generic wine tumbler and see which one actually holds ice. Let's find out. So same ice, same conditions, no shortcuts. We're sealing them up now and checking back in at 24 hours. This lid, secure, meant to lock in temperature. This lid, not so much. We'll see how it goes. Let's check it out. Still icy. And here, not much left but a cold drink. Not exactly what you want if you need hours of insulation. At the end of the day, your work deserves the best. Durable, insulated, leak-proof, and made for makers. If you want a tumbler that actually holds up, you know where to find it. Go to MakerFlo.com.